Dia Love Confessions. Yes, kaya naman tawagin natin muli kasi Yuen Yaka Rivera. Ay! Pwede ako na-inform dito
Huwag ka mag-change ka.
Kaya ako dito. Wala din na to. Please, syempre, go. Dito natin ang floor. Palakpakan naman natin. Siyempre, letter ang pinag-uusapan. Ako ang letter. Letter ito.
Letter galing sa'yo.
Yes.
Letter
Check
na.
check muna. Ay! Yes. Ano ba mo ba? Sabi ko sa'yo may connection ako eh. Connection.
Ikaw ba si Kuya?
Wala ka sinabi ko. Go. Pwede ba
Okay.
explain natin ano ba yung letter niya sa mga hindi natin nakakakita?
Okay. So yung letter na to, oh my God, we wrote this inside BBB. Kaya lang hindi namin siya nagbasa sa isa't isa because na-evict kami, unfortunately, the next day. So, I think this is gonna be...
Oo, kasi parang ito pa yung time na hindi namin din masabi sa isa't isa yung parang ito yung chance kung yung gusto namin sabihin sa isa't isa. So parang mixed emotions para sa akin eh, kasi sabi ko, ang dami ko niligay dito, ako nakakaya. Buti, hindi nga naman na eh. So,
Naka-pencil pa yun sa kanyang
pencil ba?
Babasahin naman sa isa't isa.
Sana. Kasi
Okay. Sino muna? Ikaw muna. Ako muna. Nandiyan! Nakailang draft naman ito. Tapos ano may nasa lakad yung neighbor kasi nakailang ano ako. Okay, sige.
Yes, pero syempre diba, para special treat sa atin, babasahin nila yan. Since exclusive lang pa ating chef, please.
Dustin.
Ayan, sige na lang tayo. Ayan, thank you.
Dustin. I can still vividly remember the first time we ever met in Steve's house. It was my first day in DBB wearing a senior's precious school uniform, and you were at the back being one of the last housemates to shake hands with me. Honestly, he really didn't make much of an impression to me that night. All I remember telling myself was, siya pala yung chinitong may crush kay Ate Imana. As moments passed by, your presence only came in passing too. I didn't notice you much only because you were so serious, sungit, and quiet all the time. In short, hindi nagtutugma yung pagka-OA ko sa pagka-nonchalant mo. Until one day, you suddenly appeared in my dream. Naka-tight shot pa. Looking back, naisip ko na sobrang random naman nun. I mean, we barely even held eye contact, yet alone a proper conversation. Approximately 100 days later, as I write this letter, I have come to a revelation that my dream was fate's way of telling me that I was meant to fulfill my dreams and stay in this journey with you. Tinadhana akong tapusin ang laban na ito kasama ka. Naalala ko pa yung pinakaunang beses na namangha ako sa'yo. This is when you were week 3 Sweetie Task Leader, aka Talk on Baboy era. And wag naman sana lala ko yung ulang mo, but you being able to command the room with your leadership skills was what really kept me in awe. Magaling na nga magluto, natural leader pa. As moments passed, another circumstance which made me understand as to why you were chosen by Kuya was when you were left in the secret room alone. You were asked to leave and yet pinili mo pa rin sabihin na that's okay because you would have wanted to put everyone else before you. That certain situation made you realize that your unselfishness, generosity, is often overlooked in this house. When in fact, ikaw ang isa sa pinakamapagbigay na tao ng Pilipinas. I hope you never change because thus, this is what truly sets you apart from others. Dustin, thank you for making me stronger. Dahil sa iyo naniniwala ako sa sarili ko at sa kakayanan ko, labanan ang mga pagsubok na kailanman hindi ko akala ay malalampasan. From day one, you have been consistent in showing me your unending support, and I would trade anything for the world for you to see you through my eyes. I always tell you that I don't miss home as much when I'm around you, kasi nila na prinsesa. Alagang-alaga at iniintindi mo, alagang-alaga at iniintindi sa bawat segundo ng bawat oras. Okay, tama na, cheesy na. I want you to know that I'm always proud of you. Kahit na magbago ito ng mundo, kahit na talikuran na nilang lahat, o kahit na makailang away pa tayo, hindi ako magsasawang piliin ka araw-araw. As your duo, as your duo. No matter what, always and forever. Love, Jack.
Grabe naman. Ano nakuha? Ano yung nakuha?
The style of connection. Connections that you want.
Grabe!
Here.
Hindi ko na maalala kung ano sinulat ko dito. Sobrang kapalo ko na ito ang time na ito. Dear Bianca, lagi akong naghahanap ng chance para ipakita sa iyo kung gaano ka ka-special. Finally got the chance to express myself through a letter. I always say that entering PBB is very unexpected for me, but I didn't expect that a person would make it cherishable. Binigyan mo ako ng bagong idea from the moment I first saw you coming from the garden area. Kami slow mo eh. Kasi sobrang confident mo, sobrang cute mo, sobrang ganda. Tsaka may ingay. You just came out of nowhere, but from that day, I never did not admire you. And it grew more and more each day. It just feels different getting to know you, not just because you are my opposite, but also for giving me a new perspective in different aspects. Ang dami kong natututunan sa iyo. And and I really can't deny that you made me a better person. Hearing your stories opened me to a lot of things, from your career, to your giver, love to people, especially for your family. That made me love mine even more. You really have a great heart, Bianca. And naalala ko nung pinahiram mo lahat ng damit mo sa mga girls, na ni isang damit wala nang natira sa'yo. Diba? Sino yung mga si Ralph, si AZ. Damit niya kay Ralph and kay Ralph. Si Ralph. Aba. Kaya, umiram ka na lang sa akin. Feeling ko para-paraan mo naman. Ayun. Kahit ilang problemang dumating sa nasabay-sabay, kinakaya mo, you are a fighter. One thing I also admire about you is your personality. I remember telling River na you really give... Ano to? Ang labo na kasi pencil eh. You really give light inside this house. Lagi mo kaming pinapatawa, pinapasaya, at gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Kasi lagi niyang dinadoubt yung sarili niya. Hindi ko alam kung alam ko. Basa lang, basa. Sorry.
Anong side chick ka, basa na? Diretso.
Ano ba ako?
Para-paraan.
Naka-pencil kasi malabo na.
Labo. Gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Sa bawat task na lahat ay magaling ka. Hanggat sa pagiging matapang at andyan ka para sa lahat. Inahangaan kita kung sino ka at kung paano mo pinakita na kakayanin mo ang lahat. I'm very proud of you, Duo. You made it this far. You fought through serious battles. You showed how to be strong and not to give up. Never doubt yourself because you are unique and different in your own way. You are beautiful just the way you are. Meron ba?
Basa. Basa na.
Sabi ko,
Basa na.
I want to end my first letter to you by saying I am beyond grateful that you came into my life. Trust me with all of my promises. I'm here to take care, protect, and make you the happiest. I can't wait for what's for us outside. I can't wait to create more memories and dreams with you, Bianca. I'll still be your duo outside at hindi ako magsasawa. Yours truly, Tosta.
And that's Miss Juliana Confession. Grabe naman yun. Thank you for
Surprise kami.
Oo. Ako din, in fairness, thank you for sharing your letters. Hindi madali, pero share nyo para sa ating mga shareties. Kaya palakpakan naman natin.